I'm going to fondle the Mexicans. All of them.
Here we have our 4.5-star accommodation, complete with 2 bedrooms, a working bathroom, and 3-headed flies that will eat your skin from the inside out. Yep.
He's sitting on the butt crate. It's a crate and it's for his butt. He puts his butt on the butt crate.
Why are the dogs in Nambour so weird?
Bloody quality.
This guy's been watching us while we sleep.
Beautiful scenery in Byron Bay. We've just found one of the rare and endangered Nambour sea chickens, so I'm going to covertly sneak up to it and grab it.
Oh, come here, cunt.
So we're waiting here for Ben. It was all right, but now we've lost our crab and we don't have a crab to play with. Fuck! We lost our fucking crab because of you. There we have it. World War II Russian tape recordings. That's a shit sandcastle, guys. You guys make shit sandcastles. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel great. You can see there's some missing sections here.
Stop talking. So I'm thinking we're gonna walk over there and... Wait a minute. Wait a second. My local correspondent is contacting me. Give me 1 sec. Alright, I've received some important news. Here she is. Okay. As we can see, the locals have been getting up to some unorthodox activities, but not uncommon around Nambour. Fuck me, I'm going to put that on.
Yeah, this throne.
Yes. Oh shit. It's time.
Oh no! No! Oh damn it! No!
If I turn upside down, they won't see me.
Stop!
Lachlan. Lachlan. We finished the Doritos.
Fuck!
Yes. Yes. Throw it. Throw it, bitch. Throw it like a good bitch. Yes. Just 3 guys out in the wilderness. Not doing anything gay. Definitely not gay.
So not gay. Like the worst, the most non-gay thing ever.
This toilet is in unacceptable condition. Hey guys, I was just at the... Guys? It's time. Look kids, it's Chicken Dipper Steve. Give us your famous catchphrase, Steve.
Chicken dipper! Come on, dude!
Okay, so for lunch we've got some cheese and bacon balls, we got some crisps and then some Milky Ways, or we've got a why?
You want to dance?
Yes.
You want to dance for me?
Yes.
Maybe you won't get one.
I came to Nambour looking for three things: fish and chips, chicken dipper Steve, and the sweaty Poonan. As you can see from my photographic findings, I discovered all of those things. This truly is one of the greatest days in Nimbin of all time. So that concludes Johnny Seagull's incredible trip to Nambour.
James, can I talk to you for a second, actually?
Okay. The fuck do you mean we're not in Nambour?
This is Grafton.
What the fuck is Grafton? No. No, fuck this, I'm going to Nambour. Wait a minute. What's that?